Not even going to play around today. Today's video is going to be long. I even have notes. Let's get into it. So I'm going to do my makeup. I know a lot of you guys come here just for the makeup. Some of you guys come here for me actually talking, which is like really amazing to me because I suck at talking. I suck at it. Yeah, I'm much better when I'm behind the camera than I am in real life. In real life, I'm like, I'm like tripping over my words. I'm like stuttering. I get really awkward. Another reason why I don't like phone conversations. But when a camera is on or a mic's in my hand, I'm like, show me where the stage is, and I will talk your ear off. It's true. It's true. That's. I know I had said in a video that I always use crappy products on myself, and like the last few times I did my makeup, I actually used really good products because I was testing out new products to use professionally. And now I'm back to because I'm like, yeah, they work. Like they're good. They're perfect. I love them. They're my professional kit. And now I'm back to like my old crappy makeup. So sorry, ladies and gents. But this is what we're dealing with today. So yeah. So anyway, I wanted to talk about the coronavirus, and I know that like it's everywhere. Like there's so many memes about it. Some of them are really freaking funny, and but like in life, it's actually not that funny. Like it's like people are dying and people are getting sick and people are like contaminating other people with an actual virus. So like it's actually not funny, but like some of the memes are. So credit to you guys who have funny memes. Since I have on like a Hamburglar shirt, I can wear whatever eyeshadow I want. So I have a bridal trial to do today, so I'm going to do something natural so I don't scare her. I don't want to scare people. So anyway, so today's video, I wanted to talk about how, if you are a hairstylist or makeup artist, how to keep everything nice, safe, and clean from the coronavirus because your job depends on it. You don't want to be contaminating people. And even if the coronavirus wasn't like running rampant right now, like shame on you if you're not already doing these things. These are important things that you guys should be doing. Also, side note, my dogs are snoring in the background, so can you hear that? That's my dog snoring. They're on my bed and they're snoring. Well, our bed, but you know, whatever. So if you guys want to just see some tips and tricks if you are a makeup artist or hairstylist on how to not spread the coronavirus or any other virus. So first and foremost is these are just things that I do. So when you guys leave the salon, what you probably don't know is first of all I do one-on-one appointments. So it's your time there. If you're coming with like your daughter or your sister or somebody and you guys are both getting your hair done, that's not what I mean by one-on-one appointments. I'm not like, no, you can only come by yourself. Like, no. You can definitely come like with somebody, but like there will never be a stranger there during your appointment unless we run a little bit late or if my next client comes a little bit early. But what I do after each client leaves is I have a Lysol air spray. Like, so you spray the actual air and it's Lysol. So it like kills everything. So that is one of the things that I do. Before I tell you any more things that I do, I want to tell you guys that everything that I say will be linked in my Amazon affiliate link. It helps me, guys. It helps me out tremendously if you guys click on the link and shop through it. Just another way to support girls being girls. But yeah, some of the things might be like inflated prices right now. But like, again, not to shame anybody, but to shame you. Shame on you if you weren't already doing these things because you're in an industry where you got to be like on the up and up. So the first one is the Lysol. I feel like I'm not even going to get my makeup done because I'm going to be yapping this whole time. First one is the Lysol for the air. So like you literally spray it in the air. The other one is, I have to read my notes. Each tool gets sprayed down. When you guys leave, my tools get sprayed down with a disinfectant, which is for hair tools. I have one linked in my Amazon affiliate link. It's not the same exact one I use. I couldn't find that one. But it's literally for your tools. So it's not going to rust your tools. It's not going to make them like not work or wonky or weird. It's literally for your tools. And you just spray them down and you wipe them and it disinfects. Not going to lie. I take that same disinfectant and I spray down the sink bowl. Well, first I clean it because it's a stainless steel. And so are all my surfaces are all stainless steel. Kind of like remnants of like a restaurant. You know what I'm saying? I'm sorry. I'm talking too much. I'm not getting enough work done. Remnants of like a restaurant. That's kind of like where I was going with it. You guys know, like it's named after my family's restaurant in the city. So anyway, first I use like a stainless steel cleaner, but then I spray everything down. So that would be the sink bowls, the countertops, literally everything, the chair that you guys are sitting in your appointment and the chair that you guys are sitting in at the sink. Everything gets sprayed down with the same disinfectant that I use on my tools. Too much talking, not enough makeup. I don't even know if I have enough makeup steps to do to continue this video, but I'm going to try my best. Okay, so the other thing is it's called Shape. It's in my Amazon affiliate link. It's a yellow bottle. So there's two kinds. There's one that you can use to soak your brushes and to soak all your stuff. And it literally like cleans your brushes, it cleans your combs, it cleans everything. But if you have like brushes or things that can't be soaked, sometimes the handle of brushes can't be soaked. I also have the spray bottle. There's also a spray bottle. And then after you use that, so you can use that on all your tools, everything that you're using. But after you use that, you're supposed to put everything in barbicide. So of course, barbicide, that literally kills like freaking everything. That's the blue stuff that you always see in salons. Actually, I had a client the other day tell me that I was the first salon she saw that had it. And I was like, that's disgusting. That's disgusting. Like literally, I think that was my response. That's disgusting. Okay, now I'm going to bring it on over to the makeup aspect of this. So, oh, I don't know if I have an eyeliner brush. Right. I mean, I have this one, but I didn't want to use this. I didn't want to. I'm just going to use my crappy stuff. So now I'm going to like shimmy it on over to makeup. So, if you are a makeup artist or if you do makeup, the ways to keep things clean is you want to clean all your brushes. Okay, first of all, I want to say you should 100% be keeping your personal collection and your professional collection separate. There's a number of reasons why you should do this, but mainly most people aren't as diligent cleaning their own personal stuff as they would be cleaning other stuff that's going from person to person to person, from mouth to mouth to mouth. So you should always keep that separate. I say it in like all my videos that I always keep everything separate. My really nice expensive stuff is for you guys, and my really cheap stuff that you guys see me do all the time is for me. So like I'm not using e.l.f. cream eyeliner on somebody else. Whew, stressful. So anyway, so that's number one. So the other thing is, what do I have here? Okay, so to clean your brushes, I always dip them in alcohol. I don't even know why I'm doing this. I just shouldn't even wear eyeliner today. I'm gonna skip this. I'm not gonna wear eyeliner today. Forget it. Eyeliner goes here. Okay, so I clean everything in rubbing alcohol. So there's a number of reasons. First of all, it's super, super, super easy because you can put it in a little spray bottle and you can clean in between each client. If you don't have like an abundance of brushes. I personally have like 9 billion bajillion brushes, so I generally don't have to clean my brushes until the end of a wedding. But in case I ever am like, oh, I need to use that brush and I've already used it, not on you, on somebody else, I make sure that I have alcohol spray to spray on the brushes. Also, if you're super busy, it's nice to have it. Like if you have downtime at a wedding, like sometimes you gotta wait for people to like finish doing whatever they're doing. Or like take pictures or do something, and like sometimes you have like a little bit of downtime. So it's nice to have it with you so you can clean your brushes while you're there, and it's one less thing you have to worry about when you come home. And also then you won't have the excuse of like, I don't have time or I don't feel like doing this. It's already done because you did it there. So it also dries super, super quick. So it's not like when you're shampooing a brush and it takes like 24 to like 48 hours for the brush to dry. It's like, I need my makeup, like I need my brushes. It dries so fast, especially on like eyeshadow brushes or like any kind of like powdery brush. My dogs are dreaming right now. I don't know. They're probably dreaming about the coronavirus. That's not funny. Okay, so the next thing is for any kind of like blush or powder palettes, like for example, like these, you would go in with a disposable mascara one. I don't have one with me right now. And you would just kind of scrape off all the top because it's a powder and because you want to get that top layer off of when you kept on redipping and dipping and dipping and dipping again. So that is my next one. For any foundations or cream blushes or cream products or lipsticks or concealers or anything that's like creamy and wet and moist. I know a lot of people hate that word, but there's a reason why you hate it because it's effing disgusting to think about. If you have moist products, bacteria will literally just run rampant. So what you want to do is scoop some of it out with like a little scooper. Back in the day, I used to use disposable ones, like disposable plastic ones, which I will have linked in my Amazon affiliate link. But now I use metal ones, and then I just take the alcohol and I spray it on them and I clean them off so that, like with a paper towel, so that I'm not spending $1 bajillion on disposable stuff because pretty much everything I use is like a cream-based product. So sometimes even like blushes are cream-based. Why can't I speak? I just said in the beginning of this, like, I can speak so good when the camera's on, and now I'm like, okay, so the other thing is mascara. You never want to dip because that's something that's like wet and moist inside there. Like, think about the bacteria that is just breeding inside of a mascara tube. Like, disgusting if you think about it. I probably should have waited until I was doing my mascara to talk about mascara, but it's in my notes this way, so sorry. So, you want to use disposable mascara wands. So that's pretty much a dual purpose thing. So it's the same exact thing I was talking about for like the powder blushes or the powder eyeshadows, to use those to scrape off. Obviously, you take a clean one, and every time that you dip into your mascara tube, you need to put a new one in there and dip. You don't want to take it, use it, and then re-dip it. Do not do that. You're just contaminating it, and then there was no point of even using the disposable ones. So you want to use disposable wands for that. You could also use disposable wands for like lip gloss and stuff like that. But again, you just like start running into like so much money. It's just better off if you use a spatula and then just take the spray of alcohol, spray it on the brush that you use to do it, and use a paper towel and vigorously rub it, because it's hard to get lipstick out. If you find it like difficult to get lipstick or lip gloss out of a brush, and you're like, hey, this doesn't seem 100% clean to me, then by all means use a disposable one. They have disposable ones. Looks like I have a huge pimple, but not in real life, I don't think, but that's okay. Okay, so the next thing is I always have hand sanitizer in my makeup bag. Like, I have a little travel size, and it smells so good, and every time I use it, people are like, what's that smell? It smells so good. And I'm like, oh, it's my hand sanitizer. I always travel with hand sanitizer. If I have to blow my nose, which you guys know I'm like notorious for, I don't have the coronavirus, but I do have allergies literally all year round, and a deviated septum that I need to get fixed. So I'm constantly going to the bathroom while I'm doing somebody's hair or makeup, and I'm constantly blowing my nose, washing my hands, and then I come out and I put hand sanitizer on. Only because I like to think, like, if you blew your nose, I trust you washed your hands, but like, did you wash them good? Put some hand sanitizer on. Thanks so much. I also have hand sanitizer, big jug of it at the salon, at the makeup station. And if you know the way the salon is situated, anytime anybody comes out of the bathroom, there's obviously soap in there, antibacterial soap, but then you're more than welcome to just put a little squirt of the hand sanitizer on you, and it literally reeks of alcohol, so you know it's like too legit to quit. Okay, so what else do we have here? Okay, the obvious. Wash your hands thoroughly after you go to the bathroom, after you wipe your butt, after you wipe your vajay, after you blow your nose, in between clients, in between just whatever. Wash your hands. Why do we have to even say this? This is craziness to me. And I imagine for the people who first had running water, they're probably like, wow, what a privileged generation or a privileged group of people that are now taking for granted how lucky we are to wash our hands, because all we ever wanted was to wash our dirty, filthy, disgusting hands, and now we actually can. So don't take for granted running water, and wash your hands thoroughly. You want to wash in between. You want to scrape your nails over here so you can clean those nails out. These are not dirty. This is hair color. Sorry, everybody. I always have hair color. But you want to wash like this. You ever notice that there's always stuff under your nails unless you wash your hair in the shower? So if you're somebody who goes a few days without washing your hair in the shower, you'll be like, hey, why do my nails always look so dirty? It's because they're not going like this. And if you have a loofah and you're just going like this, you're not really getting in your nails. So you have to scrub them. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Wash your hands. Okay, and then lastly, the capes and the towels and everything like that that I use on you guys, they always have bleach marks and stuff on them. I wash them with bleach. I wash them with the pods. I never reuse that. That's actually effing disgusting to me. So, and after every use, you guys see me put them away, and then they get washed and dried and put in with some bleach. So if you guys can't find any of the stuff, I mean, it's all going to be linked in my affiliate link, but if you guys are like, hey, it's sold out, because I hear that like so much stuff is sold out, get some bleach and just start bleaching and like wiping down surfaces. Like, that's okay. Your health is important. Even if you're like, hey, I'm not really taking this coronavirus thing too serious, your health, your life means something. So, and by the way, this is what a disposable wand pretty much looks like. It's like a spoolie. So this is what you would use. I keep on going back to this. This is what you would use for the powders, like the eyeshadows and the blushes, and then also disposable wands. I'm going to do my eyebrows and I'll be back. Can you tell the difference between my two eyes? This one has mascara on. This one does not. Is that not crazy? And you guys saw I didn't actually do eyeliner, and no, they're not fake. They're real. They're real. Also, I did not post the video that was me doing my brown smoky eye. I forgot what I was talking about in that video, but I didn't post that one even though it got cut off. But it will be coming. So if you guys want to follow me on YouTube, youtube.com/Erica with a K. I know a lot of you guys drop off when I mention YouTube, so I'll keep doing my makeup, so maybe it'll stay. But if you guys want to check that out, just hit the little notification bell, and then you guys will see when my next video comes out on YouTube. And also my giveaway, I have not done the giveaway yet. I haven't even filmed it yet. And I wanted to wait until I had 2,000 subscribers on Instagram. And I was like, oh, that's never going to happen. And guess what? We're there, guys. We're there. We have 2,000 subscribers. I'm so excited. All right, guys. But for realsies. All right, for real. I'm going to go. You guys see my scar? Ouch. All right. For real. Let's get a little mascara on the bottom. Oh, poke my eyeball. Great. Okay, we're done. We're done, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much. Please stay safe. And if you have the coronavirus, just cancel your appointment. Cancel all your appointments. It's okay. Nobody's going to get upset. We're all going to be really happy that you canceled your appointment. I promise. But yeah, I don't have any Saturday appointments available until May, and I have very few Saturday appointments in May available. So please get on that if you need that. May 9th, and it's the day before Mother's Day. So if you're like, I need my hair done the Saturday before Mother's Day, contact me today. And during the week appointments, I have very little. So I'm going to have my March availability. My March availability is going to be out soon. I have totally been slacking even on like my email list. So sorry, guys. It's just been really crazy. I've been working like really long hours, and I love every minute of it. But coronavirus, I keep touching my face. Yeah. So I will have my March schedule out for you guys soon, even though we're like in the middle of March. But I do have some availability left, and I don't know. I guess that's it, guys. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. I love you so much. Bye. Don't do that. Don't do that with a coronavirus going around. You don't want to do that.